What up, y'all? We're at the airport right now. You know, Nizzy B here again, once again. Yeah, we're going to Vegas. So yeah, bro, you know it's gonna be popping. So yeah, we're just gonna wait here. You know what I mean? Gonna get through some THC, TSA. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, we're gonna be at Vegas. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Boom, bitch. We at Vegas. We at the dispo right now. Getting some dumb shit. But yeah, bro, we here and shit. You know what I'm saying? My boy doing skate tricks and shit, man. Shout out to the vlog, dog. What's good, bro? What's your name?
My donation brand, Better Society.
Better Society. Go check that shit out.
Similar shoes, bro.
Oh yeah. Ooh. Show him a skate trick, dog.
Of course.
Look at my boy. Yeah. Hell yeah. Woo. What was your brand called again?
I mean, what's gonna happen?
I think Mr. Krabs ever does crab.
Oh yeah.
The Batman of Vegas.
Batman of Vegas, eh? Yo, that's crazy, bro. Look at all the states on here. What up, y'all? So we at Vegas, day 2. You know what I mean? I'm just gonna keep vlogging. Try to get some interesting shit going. Yeah, bro. Got some cap. Look at this, bro. Waves, bro. You got Sprite. Oh, look at this one, bro. That one's tough. The Coke store, though. You know what I'm saying? Not the Yay store, you know. We at Las Vegas, man. Hey, like and subscribe for the new YouTube videos. So y'all tap in, man. It's about to get popping 2025. So I like to see a pimped out monster right here, bro. The bikers are out tonight on a Wednesday. On a Wednesday, though. Yeah. Valid. Statics on this fucking Honda, bro. Modify exhaust. Yeah, this boy got a big bitch on him, huh? Got a long tank on him, innit? What do you like most about your build, bro?
How the ride is. I know the ride quality and static cars are shit, but
Yeah. there, bro. You know, V4 type shit, man. That's how we gotta do it. Anytime, anytime. You wanna plug in Insta?
Honda slow with 3 W's.
Honda slow what?
With 3 W's.
Honda slow 3 W's?
Yeah.
I
All
bet.
lowercase, no spaces.
Yeah, I'll catch you up. Clean body kit on this bitch. Love the rims too, bro. What up, y'all? So we just got done hitting the link, you know, so today was a dub day. Yeah, man, like, subscribe.